Team Pirate's chosen challenge was Challenge 2, which was to help Thales find a new and innovative way of understanding patterns in risk and mitigation data to forecast future risks. Our primary objective for the project was to shift our approach from reactive to proactive risk management. We needed to design a predictive risk analytics dashboard that is easy to understand and can forecast challenges before any can escalate into critical issues. The advantages of this are expected to enable the reduction of delays resulting from those unidentified risks that can rapidly evolve into critical issues, by ensuring that the risk is considered fully from the very beginning of every project. Although I'm not project focused, I do have experience and familiarity in the risk management area, which has given me the ability to translate most of the data and convey the risk language and processes to the wider team for a discussion.
So our solutions and benefits from our challenge were to identify trends and patterns in the data to deliver future predictions on risk management. We wanted it to be accessible to use for all stakeholders and anybody else using it, with a main homepage link and 2 other areas included as well. And we also wanted to gain learning from experience for future projects on these risks, and that it may impact scope, schedule and cost for the business. So my task on our challenge was to clean the data. So I just started by doing this by uploading the historical data set that was given to us into Power Query, just looking at some usual data quality issues such as typos, missing values, duplicates, and looking at data types as well. We did find that there was a few data types that were incorrect, so just quickly changed them. And there was some empties, so missing values, which we didn't have the data to fill in with, but just kind of so that the data wouldn't be rejected later on, filled this in with not nulls. And also some duplicates were removed in our unique identifier column, and some typos were also removed as well.
I was tasked with the AI side of things, so we decided to use ChatGPT as our AI-powered assistant. We were able to use AI firstly to clean the data, so we were able to use it to get a step-by-step process for Power Query, and also use it to create custom Python and DAX scripts that we use in Power BI to help create the dashboard, specifically trying to overcome the challenge of creating a heat map. We were also able to use the AI-powered ChatGPT to come up with solutions in terms of our presentation, and it did save us a lot of manual hours and made it much more effective in terms of bringing everything together.
We used the Miro dashboard to break down the pain points so that we knew what to consider when fulfilling the challenge. We created an action plan of the tasks that needed doing, updating them at each stage, e.g. not started, in progress or finished, to keep the rest of the team updated. This tool helped us to stay organised throughout this challenge and helped us to work as a team.
Hello, welcome to our report. I've built this dashboard with different visualization elements to help us tell a story about this, the data set that we have. If we look here on our front screen, we have a couple of buttons here to help us navigate our report easily. The risk analysis button takes us straight to the risk analysis page, and the risk forecast button takes us straight to the risk forecast page. On here, we can see that we have different visualization elements, all to help us and our stakeholders properly interrogate this data and get the information that they want about risk, mitigation, and impacts. It is our hope that they will be able to use these sliders to drill down into the data easily and get the information that they require with ease and speed. Here we have visualization elements, more graphs, more charts, and a few more buttons to help us drill down into the information. Thank you.
How has your solution been designed to maximize the user experience for the different types of user? How easy is it to derive insights? Our solution is built with usability at its core. These slides provide the insight to our solution. How does your solution enable users to predict the types of risks they are likely to encounter? Our solution integrates historical risk trends and predictive modeling to help users anticipate future risks before they escalate. Not all risks are equal. How does your solution point users to the biggest risks to focus on? To ensure that users prioritize the most critical risks, our solution automatically ranks and highlights high-impact risks. Final summary: why our solution stands out. User-friendly and interactive, easy for different users to derive insights. Instant insights, filters, KPIs, and risk rankings simplify decision-making. Predictive capabilities helps users anticipate and prepare for risks. Focus on the biggest risks. Automated prioritization ensures critical risks get attention. Our solution doesn't just display risk data, it empowers users to take action and stay ahead of future risk.